Hi friends, welcome back. Let us start with few important shortcuts for integration chapters. So let's start. If the question is of the type ax plus b divided by cx plus d dx, then we can use these coefficients a by c into x minus cross multiply these coefficients a into d minus b into c. Divide by c square into log of denominator. Remember to put this in modulus sign. For example, we have integral 7x plus 3 divided by 3x minus 1 dx. So 7 by 3 into x minus 7 into minus 1, which is minus 7, 3 into 3, which is 9, divided by 3 square, which is 9, into log of denominator. Next, if the question is of the type a e raised to x plus b divided by c e raised to x plus t, it's very simple. It's got two terms. The first term will come from b by d into x plus second term will be a by c minus b by d into log of denominator. Take an example, 3e raised to x plus 5, 2e raised to x plus 7. So answer is 5 by 7 into x plus 3 by 2 minus 5 by 7 into log of denominator. Let's move on to the next one. A sin x plus b cos x divided by c sin x plus d cos x. It is a into c plus b into d divided by c square plus d square. That's the first term into x minus ad minus bc divided by c square plus d square, that's second term, into log of denominator plus c. For example, 3 sin x plus 4 cos x divided by 2 sin x plus 3 cos x dx. So it is 3 into 2, that is 6, plus 4 into 3, that is 12, divided by 2 square, that is 4, plus 3 square, which is 9, into x, minus the second term would be 3 into 3, that is 9, 4 into 2, that is 8, divided by 2 square, that is 4, plus 3 square, which is 9. There are four types of questions, one by sin x minus a into sin x minus b, one by cos x minus a into cos x minus b. The first two has got similar terms in denominator, that is sin and sin here, cos and cos here. And next two terms are having dissimilar terms, that is cos and sine and cos. So if it is similar terms, either sin or cos, answer would be 1 by cos b minus a into log of second term divided by first term. Now what is second term? This is second term and this is first term. So answer for this will be 1 by cos b minus a log of sin x minus b divided by sin x minus a. And for this it will be 1 by cos b minus a log of second term, which is cos x minus b, divided by first term, which is cos x minus a. While if it is dissimilar terms, so instead of cos it will be sine, log of second term divided by first term. However, the last one is exception. Remember the exception, it is instead of second term divided by first, it is going to be first term divided by second, rest all the things remaining same. Another very important question, integral 1 by a sin square x plus b cos square x plus c dx. Now out of these three terms in denominator, any one may be missing. For example, if this is missing, it could be 1 by cos square term plus constant, or this cos square term might be missing, so it will be 1 by sin square plus constant. What we do in this type of question, replace this dx by dt, and this sin square x you replace it by t square, and this cos square x you replace it by 1, and this constant c you replace it by c into 1 plus t square, where what is this t? T is equal to tan x. Let's take an example, integral 1 by 2 sin square x minus 3 cos square x plus 7. dx is replaced by dt Sine square x is replaced by t square and cos square x is replaced by 1, and constant 7 is replaced by 7 into 1 plus t square. That is equal to dt divided by 9t square plus 4, which is 1 by 3t square plus 2 square dt, and which on simplification is 1 by 2 tan inverse 3t divided by 2 plus c, and then we replace this t by tan x. Another very important question is integral 1 by a sin x plus or minus b cos x. That is equal to 1 by r integral cosec x plus or minus alpha dx plus c. If it's plus here, then it is plus here. If it's minus here, then it is minus here. Where what is this r value? R value is root of a square plus b square. And what is this alpha value? It is tan inverse of b by a. Let's take an example, integral 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x. So a value here is 1, b value is root 3. So r equals to root of 1 square plus root 3 square, which is root of 4 equals to 2. So this is going to be 1 by r is 2. Integral cosec x plus alpha. What is alpha? It is tan inverse of b by a, so it is root 3 by 1, which is equals to pi by 3. So that is how we get half times integral cosec x plus pi by 3. Now integral of this is log mod tan x plus pi by 3 divided by 2 plus c. Integral 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c. Very important type of question. Now again, out of these three terms in denominator, any one term might be missing, but the method will remain same. What we do, replace this dx by 2 into dt, replace this sin x by 2 into t, replace this cos x by 1 minus t square, and this constant is replaced by c into 1 plus t square, where again t equals to tan x. Take an example, 1 by 2 cos x plus sin x dx. So what we do, this dx we replace it by 2 dt, constant 2 is replaced by 2 into 1 plus t square, cos x is replaced by 1 minus t square, and sin x is replaced by 2t. On simplification we get 1 quadratic, t square plus 6t plus 3. 2 is constant outside. Now this quadratic can be solved by completing the perfect square method. So when you complete the perfect square method, this is what you get, whose integral is this, and finally in the final answer t will be replaced by tan x. The next quick method is xv rule. xv rule, x into v1 minus v2 plus c. What is this v1? v1 is integral of v, and what is v2? v2 is integral of v1. For example, integral x into sin x dx. So first we write x, then we write integral of sin x, which is minus cos x, then we put a minus sign, and integral of this minus cos x is minus sin x plus c, which on simplification becomes this. Next method is integral x raised to n into v dx. I consider this x raised to n as u, suppose. So I write on first term as it is, integral of v, that is v1, put minus sign, derivative of this term, that is u dash, into integral of v1, which is v2, then put a plus sign, derivative of u dash is u double dash, then integral of v2, that is v3, put a minus sign, derivative of u double dash, that is u triple dash, integral of v3, that is v4 plus, and so on. So if you notice, alternatively to put plus minus sign, and we start with the first term and write down its derivatives continuously, and we start with the integral of v and go on writing its higher integral till it becomes 0. Let's take an example. Integral x square sine x. So what we do, first we write x square as it is into integral of this term, that is minus cos x. It was plus, now it is minus. Derivative of x square, that is 2x. Now integral of this term minus cos x, its integral is minus sin x. It was plus, then minus, then again plus. Derivative of 2x, that is 2. And integral of this term minus sin x, that is equal to cos x. Then we would put on minus sign, and derivative of this 2 is going to give you 0, and further terms will all be 0. So we stop here and this becomes the answer. Next is integral x into f dash x plus fx dx, and that is equals to x into fx plus c. For example, x into cos x plus sin x dx, that is equals to x into sin x plus c. Look at these shortcuts quickly. You can pause the video and note down. Integral e raised to mx m fx plus f dash x dx equals to e raised to mx into fx plus c. Integral e raised to mx into fx plus f dash x upon m dx equals to e raised to mx into fx upon m. These two are very interesting. Integral e raised to dx equals to integral e raised to x into cos bx dx equals to, both of them are quite similar. The outside term e raised to ax divided by a square plus b square, that is same for both. Then in the bracket what we have got is a into sin bx, so it is a into cos bx, a into sin bx here, and this is a into cos bx here. Then minus sign to derivative of this term sin bx, derivative is b cos bx. Derivative of cos bx is minus b sin bx, which on simplification becomes this. Definite integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x power n plus tan x power n minus 2. If the power is n here, then it is n minus 2. Difference is if 2. That is equals to 1 by n minus 1. For example, suppose in is integral 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to n theta. Question says find I8 plus I6. Now if In is this, so I8 would be 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to 8 theta d theta. I6 will be integral 0 to pi by 4. In is this, so I6 will be tan raised to 6 theta d theta. So according to this formula, integral 0 to pi by 4 tan raised to 8 theta plus tan raised to 6 theta. See, the difference is of 2. It will be 1 by 8 minus 1, that is 1 by 7. If the integral is of the type integral 0 to pi by 2 a sin x plus b cos x divided by sin x plus cos x, answer is pi by 4 into a plus b. Now in place of sin x and cos x, if you see tan x and cot x here, still the answer would be same. Next, definite integral a to b fx dx divided by fx plus f of a plus b minus x dx, or it is integral a to b f of a plus b minus x upon fx plus f of a plus b minus x dx. Either this scene or this combination. Answer is upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. For example, integral 2 to 8 root of, now lower limit is 2, upper limit is 8. So 2 plus 8, that is 10 minus x divided by root of x plus root of 2 plus 8, that is 10 minus x. So answer is 8 minus 2 divided by 2, that is 3. Another example, lower limit is 0, upper limit is 11. So 0 plus 11 minus x the whole square divided by x square plus 0 to 11. So 0 plus 11, that is 11 minus x the whole square. Upper limit is 11 minus lower limit is 0 divided by 2. Answer is 11 by 2. Definite integral a to b, where a and b, their total is pi by 2. Sum of the lower limit and upper limit must be pi by 2. Power of sine divided by power of sine plus power of cos. Answer will be upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. In place of sine and cos, if it is tan and cot, or it is sec x and cosec x, still the answer will be upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. Only condition is sum of the lower limit and upper limit must be pi by 2. For example, integral pi by 6 to pi by 3 root of sine x divided by root of sine x plus root of cos x. You can see it is of this type. So answer is upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. Let's take another example, integral a to b, where a plus b is again pi by 2. The sum of upper limit and lower limit is pi by 2. 1 by 1 plus power of tan x. Answer is upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2. In place of tan x, if it is cot x, still the answer is same. Integral m to n, again m plus n, the sum of lower limit and upper limit must be pi by 2. A raised to sine x divided by a raised to sine x plus a raised to cos x dx equals to n minus m divided by 2. In place of sine x and cos x, even if it is tan x and cot x, answer would be same. For example, if it is integral pi by 6 to pi by 3, 2 raised to sine x divided by say 2 raised to sine x plus 2 raised to cos x dx, answer would be upper limit minus lower limit divided by 2, which is pi by 12. If it is integral 0 to pi by 2 power of sine x or integral 0 to pi by 2 power of cos x, what you do is, if the power is n, we start with one less power. If it is n, we start with n minus 1 and then decrease it by 2, it becomes n minus 3, then decrease it by 2, n minus 5, and so on till 2. That becomes our numerator. Divide by denominator, we start with same power, that is n, decrease by 2, it becomes n minus 2, again decrease by 2, n minus 4, and so on till it is reaching 1. Into k. Now this k is very important, it will be 1. If this power is odd, the same k value will be pi by 2 if n power is even. Let's take an example, integral 0 to pi by 2 sine raised to 5x. Here the power is odd. So what we do, start with one less power. So 1 less than 5, it is 4. Decrease by 2. So we reach 2, so we stop here. That becomes numerator. Divide by. In denominator we start with the same power, that is 5. Decrease by 2, it becomes 3. Decrease by 2, it becomes 1. Into k, in place of k I am writing 1 because this power is odd power. So answer is 8 by 15. So hope you understand these shortcuts and you find them useful for tomorrow's examination. I wish you all the best. Give your examination with cool mind and composed mind. Hopefully you will do best. Please subscribe to this channel and do like this video. Thank you.